Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, we had another night of widespread dense fog, but it is clearing out faster than it did on Saturday, as we have a little weather system coming in from the west that is bringing in a little bit drier air and higher visibilities. This was as of around 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. There was a little surface trough to our west. Winds are turning to the southwest ahead of it, and then west-northwest behind it. And you can see the zeros and the visibility are decreasing, and the visibilities are increasing. The number of zeros are decreasing as the lower visibility and fog gets pushed off to the east. Now, as this is happening, it is a little weather system. A few sprinkles, maybe a little shower will move across the area, but that is about it. And once this goes by, it's going to end up being a pretty nice day. Temperatures right now are in the upper 30s. We're on our way into the low to mid 50s. So that it will be sunny by noon with a westerly breeze. So pretty nice weather. And actually, this is probably the nicest day out of the next 10 and beyond, as we have a lot of weather changes that will be starting to happen. So let's go through all this here. First, if you are traveling today, the East Coast is the problem. Severe weather that was in the southern United States yesterday is now moving through the southeast and into the eastern United States. Washington, D.C., Richmond, Charlotte, North Carolina, all the way down to Jacksonville, there could be severe weather. Chicago, Milwaukee, Detroit are getting wind and rain, which could delay some flights, but usually this time of year it's wind and snow, and that would really be a problem, but it's not. It's warm enough to keep it all rain. And then during the day today, the severe weather threat will begin to shift off to the east and then finally move out. For us, tomorrow will be quiet in the morning, and there might be a rain shower to our north. We'll be in the mid-30s. Look at that surface low forming. And I didn't even put it on there because you can see the circulation. And between 8 a.m. and around 3 p.m., we'll get up upper 40s to near 50. That surface low right near Kansas City. Some showers from I-70 northward, more widespread rain across Nebraska and Iowa with a little bit of snow mixed in. It's even too warm to snow in Nebraska and Iowa, really. Maybe in northern Nebraska there. And then look what happens between 3 p.m. and we go towards around midnight or so. And for us, it'll be around 40. There'll be some rain moving in. It'll be windy and cold. My goodness, and if you're driving up towards Omaha or Des Moines, it's still going to just be wet there. Temperatures are still above freezing. Remember, the average low is 20, so it's bringing in colder air, but it's still above average. And by New Year's Eve morning, it'll be windy, cold. Temperatures will be in the 30s, maybe a couple of degrees colder than that, anywhere from 30 to 35. But look what happens during the day. The sun comes out and the temperature does not really go up. It kind of sits in the 30s, if not drops a little bit. So it's going to be cold and dry on New Year's Eve and New Year's Eve night. As we go to midnight, temperatures will be in the upper 20s and the winds will come down, but wind chills will be right around 20 degrees. So bundle up if you're headed out, but at least it will be dry. If you're heading north on I-35 or I-29, there could be a little black ice on later Monday night and Tuesday, as temperatures there do fall below freezing after the rain, and they're going to see a lot more rain, probably a tenth to a half inch, and for us, just under a tenth of an inch. It looks like the main storm will go from here northward. Could it shift south and us get a little more rain? It could, but right now probably just less than a tenth of an inch as it stands now. All right, now there are more changes, so let's take a look at this. Now again, if you are traveling today, there's all the rain in the east and also in the Pacific Northwest down to central California, and that is the system that is going to affect us on Monday with some rain and a little bit of mixed snow in Nebraska and into Iowa. That system actually on New Year's Eve night will be near New York City. Could it rain during some of the celebrations there? It could, with that system that's coming through here on Monday and Tuesday. We are going to have just a cold and dry New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. There's the Arctic air up to the north, and as we go into Thursday, a little weather system may come through right around Thursday afternoon with maybe a rain or a snow shower, but we're not expecting anything significant. But after this, some big changes into next weekend. Now, next weekend, we could have some kind of a storm with snow, a mix, and rain. And look what happens as we go into a week from today. Oh, yeah. And if it's going to snow, January 5th would be a day it would snow. I mean, it is really getting into winter here. Now, I'm showing this. It does not mean we're going to see the snow, because you can see the mix and rain is not that far away. If it goes farther north, it could be more just rain here and then turning colder And if it stays like this, yes, we could see accumulating snow. Just know the take from this a week in advance is it looks like some kind of a winter storm next weekend, followed by the potential to see Arctic air. That Arctic air will start to come south. So here's our forecast for today. It's going to be nice, and it's going to be right around 50 at noon, 53 this afternoon. It could be a little warmer if the sun comes out faster, 40 at 7, and then midnight might be the low. It might drift up a couple of degrees by morning on our way to around 50 tomorrow, then windy, colder, wet tomorrow night, and Tuesday, New Year's Eve, 38 degrees. And as we look at New Year's Eve, 38 during the day, 29 at midnight with a wind chill around 20, and then New Year's Day, the first day of 2025, 38 degrees. On the Super 10-day forecast, we are looking at average cold and mainly dry Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We could see a rain or snow shower Thursday. Then there's that chance of a storm next weekend, and then look at days 9 and 10. Yeah, and if we get any snow on the ground, those temperatures with highs in the 20s might be optimistic. We shall see how that goes as we go through the week ahead. Have a great rest of your weekend and week ahead. Happy New Year. Stay healthy.